Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, subscribe now! And I am back from the 100 Mile Garage Sale, and I wanted to start out showing you my hauls with my walls. So when I go hunting on things like this, I always have a plan for what I'm looking for, and this time for sure it was walls and smalls. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, anything you hang on the wall, artwork, walls, and any little tchotchkes or knickknacks, things like that, dishes, those are smalls. So you can make your or break your rent on how many smalls and walls you sell, and those will move faster than furniture every day of the week. So I wanted to take some time to show you in this particular haul video some walls, because I got a lot on the 100 Mile Garage Sale. Now my sister says I ramble and that I should just get to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get to showing you guys what I've got. Okay, so since Jenny was mentioned in the opening here, she and I fought over this one. We both saw it at the same time and I got it. I am totally stoked by that. It is this super pretty floral painting. It is a painting. It is an oil painting. It's seen better days. I mean, clearly the matting and framing has seen better days, but it was $1. Yeah, $1 whole. That's coming out there. $1 for that. It's gonna go on the wall in my booth, and somebody's gonna love it. I'm gonna get a brand new home. So that's the first wall I got. I got a window. I paid up for this because I'm out of windows. Usually I like to pay $5 for a window like this. I paid $10. I paid double. I can get about 20 to 26 depending on the size and country look of it. This one side is green, one side is white. I'll probably put 24 on it in the booth and see how it does. If it doesn't do well, I can always lower the price. And then because I have a nautical theme that's coming up, I want to do my booth at a nautical theme at some point this summer, because nautical does really well in the space that I'm in at Picket Fence. Because we have a lot of lake traffic, people are looking particularly for nautical. This is a Snug Harbor watercolor barometer. I thought it was super cute. Jenny was not so impressed. I liked it. It was, I don't remember, I think it was $3. It wasn't more than that. I know that for sure. Yeah, $3 right there. $3 for the barometer. It does have a price on it. But yeah, I thought it was super cute, the little watercolor. That'll go in during my nautical month. So that'll be coming up. Here's another nautical one that I found. It's a newer piece, but the booth can have newer items. It has just like a captain's, it looks like a captain's office. I mean, it's got a map on the wall and a wheel and the netting and all that stuff. So it's another nautical piece. This was originally from TJ Maxx for $12. I did not pay $12 for this. The person I got it from was closing her sale at the time that we walked up, and I got this along with 3 other items. So I got 4 items total for $2. So this would be 50 cents. Can't beat that. I don't know what I'm gonna charge for it yet. I really haven't looked too far into it, but another nautical theme. And this was, I paid $4 for this one, but let me see if I can get a good picture. Do you see the mermaid on it? Super cute. Also gonna be part of the nautical theme. But this was hand done by a local artist from Red Wing. So they have an art festival every year, and the artist, there was a name on it. Keb? T-Keb, K-E-B-S? I don't know, from 2004, but it's a hand-done watercolor. And it's a mermaid on the bottom of the ocean. I just thought it was super pretty. I like the colors. Well, she's like laying under the pier or something. I don't know, but it's a mermaid. So that's nautical. That's going in during the nautical time. And let's see. This was cute. This was $3 as well. It is an oil painting. There was another one that sort of matched it. The woman had them framed the same. Oh, it's $2. It was $2. She had them framed the same, but it was super bright orange and I didn't care for it. I know orange is really popular and it was also only $2 and I probably should have bought both of them. But this one called my name. I liked the colors. I liked the gold leaves. I liked the blue in the background. And I just thought this one was prettier for some reason. I spent my $2 on that instead of the other one. But she also had a couple other paintings. This was one of them. Jenny hated this one. This was also $2 for the deer. There was no tag on it, but she gave it to me for $2 as well. This is a larger one. It's got the more ornate frame. It's some doe and a fawn. I just think that's cute, right? Nature paintings do well. People like nature. That should not surprise anyone. And people like nature. This was also from the same sale. $2. It is framed similar to that other one. I like the little cottage look with the yellows and the greens. I think this is super pretty. I think this will do well in the booth too. The frame is a little scratched up. I'm not too concerned about that. Most people know you can repaint it. Maybe I'll repaint it. I don't know. We'll see. But I thought for $2, I think that a lot of people go to that Red Wing Art Fair because I'm pretty sure these are probably from that as well. They're small oil paintings, but they are genuine oil paintings on canvas, so I got them. And then there's this one, also an oil painting, not on canvas. Well, maybe it's an acrylic. Could be an acrylic. I like it. It's a little country theme. More of the muted tones wouldn't be my style so much. I like color. You could probably tell from the fact that behind me is a riot of color on the wall over there and over here. I got a little color thing happening, but this has the more muted colors that will fit with a lot more palettes. I just thought it was pretty with the little birds, and yeah, it's probably an acrylic. Maybe it is on canvas. I don't know. Not a painting expert, but it was in really good condition. The frame's super cute with all the little ornate details. If worse came to worse and this didn't sell, I could pull this frame off, paint it blue, and I would sell the frame for more than the couple bucks I paid for it. And this was not that lady. It wasn't $2. I want to say this one was $1. Pretty sure it was. I'm pretty sure this one was just $1. So, next. Well, this isn't really a walls, but it's a frame. It was really ornate. It was 50 cents. It'll probably get a coat of white paint to freshen it up a little bit. Put a little pretty background paper in there. That's why I buy a lot of craft paper so that I can fill my frames. I don't like naked frames. Paint it out white, throw a pretty paper in it, and sell it for 10 bucks. Super fast and quick, $9.50. And then the last painting is a still life. It's an older one. Let's see. From the 1970s is my guess. Let's see. Turner Manufacturing Company, fashion plate, wall accessories, still life. I could probably look up this information and tell you exactly what day it was or what year it was, but yeah, it's a mass-produced painting. This one I think cost me $1 as well. This was at one of the last sales we did, and I'm pretty sure it was $1. And I was like, I'll take it. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 9, 19, 21, $22. Got all of those. So that's quite a haul for $22. You can see why I didn't take more. I think I took $250 total because I had a few little extra bucks here and there. I filled my van for $250. This is $22 of it. So that's pretty outstanding. I'm super stoked with everything that I got here. But yeah, it was really cool because this is, I mean, that's not a lot. I will definitely have to keep finding walls. Oh, there was one. Hang on. And not artwork, but it is a walls. We stopped at the Salvation Army while we were there because Saturday was really a bummer. It was not a great sale day. A lot of the sales had closed, so we stopped at the Salvation Army. This was kind of spendy, but I don't consider this part of my $250, but I did buy it down there, so I'm going to show you. It was $6. Can you see it? It says fresh towels, and it's got the cute little ladies on it. It's not particularly old, but it will sell. So I will get that in the booth, get a price on it. It's cute. It'll sell. I'll find a new home for that for sure. So that's everything that I got as far as walls on the 100 Mile Garage Sale. Now I promise we will have more videos coming of haul videos. So there are things that, you know, the smalls, the Tupperware, you wouldn't even believe everything I got. So make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy junking, everyone. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.